So is this one of those pyramids? Hello guys, Alvaro here. In this video I want to touch on the typical question of, is this a pyramid? So this video is better suited to people already in the network marketing industry that are getting this question asked over and over again. Now, myself in my current business, I haven't been asked that question, at least yet. However, when I was back in 2000 to 2007, when I was running a network marketing business with another company, I remember being asked that same question over and over and over again. And it was annoying because I really know, I understand the industry. I know how to differentiate what is a legit network marketing MLM business to separate it from a Ponzi or pyramid scheme. But it has been hard for some people to explain to people why their own business is not a pyramid. Now, don't get me wrong, there are many companies out there that will put on a mask and pretend to be an MLM when in fact are Ponzi schemes, right? The easiest way to recognize those Ponzi's are looking at the company, looking what product or service do they have, and the main one is, does the product or service actually goes to the end consumer, an end consumer that is not a distributor or a member to that company. If every single distributor or member of the company is using the product or service, but no product or service goes out to the marketplace to people that are not participating in the business, that is pretty much a scam. And even though it's not a scam from my perspective, the truth is regulators will look into those companies and shut them down. And it has happened for years. Many companies are being shut down because people follow that same principle, that same business model. And oftentimes companies will put on a product or a service just to hide the fact that the way they make the money is simply by recruiting others. That's it, an exchange of money between different hands. So when you look into any company, look at, make sure it's legit. So when you get asked the question, is this a pyramid? You can reply to that. Now, I'm going to give you a little tip on how to reply that question. If you are with a good network marketing company like I am with LiveGood, here's what you reply. Let's say Bob, to say a name, says, oh, is this one of them pyramids? Your reply should be very easy. No, it isn't. That's it. No, it isn't. And shut up. See what they say. If he or she doesn't say, or in this case Bob, if Bob doesn't reply, doesn't say anything, you could always, if you want, ask the following question. What is a pyramid? Or what do you understand for a pyramid? Or what's your definition of a pyramid? And more often than not, they'll come up with, oh, it's one of those deals where people at the top make all the money and people down below doesn't make any money. Another easy answer for that is, oh, I understand, Bob. Yeah, I completely understand that. That's like your company, right? Who do you work for? And Bob might say, oh, I work for Toyota. What do you do? Oh, I work in a factory. I'm building window regulators for Toyota. Okay. Let me ask you, Bob. Do you actually make more money at your job than your supervisor? Or your team leader? No, I don't make more. My team leader makes more money than me. All right. Does your team leader make more money than the supervisor? Bob says, no, supervisor makes more money. Right, okay. Does your supervisor make more money than the, regional manager for that company? No, it doesn't. Bob, let me ask you, and you know where we're going with this. Does your regional manager earns more money than the director? No. Final question, does the director make more money than the CEO of that company, of your company? And you go, no. So there you have it. That's a pyramid scheme, just like I have in my business, right? What's the difference? In your company, there is a CEO at the top making all the money. As you go different levels down, the people at the bottom are barely scraping by just to make a living. And more often than not, people are struggling to thrive. They don't thrive. And people spend 40 years of their life working for someone else, what they call the rat race, going to work, right? Getting up in the morning, 6 o'clock, alarm clock goes off. Get up, brush your teeth, take a shower, go to work, come back. You feel tired. You get in the couch, watch some TV, time to go to sleep. Following day, alarm clock goes off, get up, take a shower, brush your teeth, get in traffic to go to work more often than not. 1 hour in traffic, 2 hours stuck in traffic, get to work in bad mood, probably in a place you hate working in the first place. And what do you do that for 40 years? To pay the mortgage, hopefully pay for a car, and get your kids through college, maybe taking a loan or two. That's the plan out there. It's been there for years. So Bob, in this case, should understand that he's already in the pyramid, he's already in the matrix, he's already part of a society that has dictated to people how they should live their life. They are born, the minute they are born, and this is yet for another video, they are part of the government. You know, the government owns people with their birth certificate. I'm not gonna get into that because I will be going down the rabbit hole. But they are born, they go to school, maybe they go to university, they get a job, and 40 years later, if they're lucky, they get a gold watch. And I'm being very optimistic here from the company for their 40 years service. And then you retire, and in your golden years, you realize that the money you've got in a pension isn't enough to survive because inflation has been eating up on savings and investments, right? So that's a long explanation, but that's a pyramid. And from the other point of view is you need to understand that network marketing, the legit network marketing company, is compare this to a sales job, right? You sell a product for a commission and you get paid on your own efforts. Now imagine where if you could help a company to bring more salespeople to sell more products, and the company will pay you a small commission of every sale that comes from the people you brought into the company, right? That's what we call multi-level marketing. And the company will pay you a small percentage of people that your people bring into the company. So think about it, most network marketing companies that will save money on advertisement, and what they'll do is they'll pay those commissions back to the network for helping to build that company up. Now the big problem I've seen since I started network marketing is that the majority of companies are selling overpriced products or services. That has been the big elephant that nobody wants to face. And most people in network marketing companies, they are trying to sell products that they know they are overpriced, and they're trying to come up with a sales pitch that is appealing to people and makes people part with their money for something they could buy 3 times cheaper online. So when you look at companies like LiveGood that I'm part of, we've got real honest products that I'm happy to promote to anybody because I know they're getting an amazing value for their money. Not only they're top quality products, but they don't have to break the bank to actually use them. And you know the best part of it? Would you rather have someone purchasing a $100 product that they can only purchase 1 or 2 months because they can't afford anymore because they are in that treadmill of working 40 years for someone else, being at the bottom of their company, so they can't really afford to buy that product very often? Or would you have someone that spends $15, $20 every month and they can afford to pay that long term for years to come? I'm sure you will choose the latter, right? This is what we've got with LiveGood here that has revolutionized the network marketing industry. We've got products that people can actually afford, products that are going to help people to become healthier, and that, my friends, are priceless. So it's not so much about the money, although people are making already huge incomes after 4 months, but it's about the value you bring to the marketplace. People are going to purchase products from our company, and they don't need to necessarily participate in the opportunity. So that makes LiveGood a legit company. So if you ever think about, is LiveGood a pyramid scheme? No, not at all. And I'll tell you what, unlike many traditional companies, in LiveGood, you can go to the top, no matter who you are, no matter where you live, if you're prepared to do the work. If you're prepared to do the work, you can make more money than the person that brought you into the business, And it's actually happening. People in this business are already making more money than the people that brought them into it. Okay, so it pays fairly. You get rewarded by how productive you are for the company. If you're very productive, you're going to earn more money that has arrived to the company before you. If you are a lazy bum and you prefer not to do anything, well, good news for you. You can actually earn money if you stick around long enough, because you're going to get some spillover. No guarantees, but really, if you stay for 1, 2, 3, 5 years, you will get spillover, because the company are going to be into the millions in the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years. So they are going to have to fall somewhere. And if you already lock your spot within the matrix in our business, eventually you're going to get some team members. So that's all for this video today. Remember, anybody ask the question, is this a pyramid? As long as it isn't, right? If it is, just say it is a pyramid. But if your business is not a pyramid, just say no. No, it isn't. If they want to get further, and if they insist, just put this example. Oh, Bob, I can see if this is a pyramid, it's just like your company. Just like your company. But you're still going to work every day, Monday to Friday, 9 till 5, for a basic living, just to survive. And that's the sad but real truth. Network marketing gives you the unprecedented opportunity to create an income that you choose. You only have to be prepared to sacrifice, not to waste around. You're going to have to sacrifice what you do already. You're going to have to sacrifice the football, your bowling days, your going out with friends, just for a short while, to get your business up and running, to get your business on overdrive, right? You know, you will look back 2 to 5 years down the line, and you'll be glad you actually took the decision to join us. So anyway, as I always say, click the link below this video and find out more how myself, my team can help you develop an amazing business with LiveGood. See you in the next video. Take good care. Bye-bye.